I guess so. Back with the 8.7 controller. As you can see, I have my S7 Trimble tall station. So we're gonna go and see if we can connect to it. So I'm gonna start up the Siteworks, which I have installed the other day. We have successfully connected with the 985 GNSS receiver. So this is the last ultimate test, whether we can. Now, bear in mind that the S7 is Bluetooth enabled. I'm gonna accept this job here or whatever. It's gonna be starting up. And connect to the tall station. So Trimble, it's a SPS series. I'm gonna connect with the Bluetooth and I'm gonna go and search. So as you can see, it's finding all the Bluetooth devices around here. I'm just gonna go and click on the 37230, which is the tall station serial number. Hit OK. It asks me for PIN. I usually just leave it at quadruple zeros, and we are connecting. As you can, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can hear the servo engines moving, so it means it's connecting, as well as I can see the Trimble logo on that little display. It's warning me that there is firmware version is out of date, and it wants me to update to R12.551 to get the best possible performance. So that's something I'm gonna look into later on. I'm gonna just take a picture so I get the number. I'm gonna hit accept. I'm gonna leave it so it shows it to me in the future, so I can do that. And right now we are at the level compensation. Again, I'm just gonna hit accept there. It's asking me for the pressure and everything, so I'm just gonna hit OK. It's configuring the instrument, and yeah, hit accept. I'm gonna set up an arbitrary location, and now I'm gonna just kind of escape here. Abort now, yes, okay. So I'm gonna go to the main menu of Trimble Siteworks, and at the top right I'm just gonna click on the little instrument button, which should give me to get to the measuring. And as you can see, I'm getting the horizontal angle. I'm gonna hit the button, and let's see. As you can see, I am turning the instrument, so that means it's working. And yeah, so right now, let's see if we can. I don't even know if this one has the lights for. No, it doesn't. This one I don't think has the lights. Yeah, here you have the level, right? So you can go back and check that at some point. And if we want, we can go to the menu and what is it, settings, I think, and measure. No, I hit this guy, hit this guy, hit this guy. Yeah, okay. I'm just trying to figure out. I don't remember. Oh, measure type. Here we go. No, that's measure type. Whether I want the point. Hop. Giving me this. Is it on the product? No. Measure mode. Okay, so under setting there is a measure mode. We got a few different measure modes, right? So let's go the target. Let's switch it up here. It's changing the measure mode, and let's see if I can hit we are in the DR target, and I'm gonna hit this again. Sorry. There we go. And I am gonna move the joystick up a little bit because I want to see the little dot, the little laser dot. And now if I go and measure, I should get the I'm on the tracking, so whenever I measure, so I can turn it off, I think. Yeah, so I don't see. Turn it back on. Yeah, so there you go. That's proof that I can connect to it with the 8.7 controller in Siteworks. See you guys next one.